Very good morning to one and all. Once again, welcome back to Geography class. Today is 26th Feb 2021. We are in the revision mode, and this revision mode we are going to revise the second chapter. In this second chapter, again on the basis of our note making and all the revision point, we are going to see about the question and answer. So I am going to present you few questions, and please try to recall the particular concept and try to frame the answer in your mind. So the question and answer, if you are going to see quickly, so direct or indirect way you are going to memorize them and you are going to understand the answer and the question. Question and answer of chapter number 2 on 26th Feb 2021 in the revision part. We are going to see about the important points from the chapter number 2 as we had seen in the India size and location. Let's move to the second chapter, physical features of India. So here we are going to see about question number 1, which are the two main causes of rock displacement. As I told about the plate tectonic theory and all, the question is based on that. Just for your knowledge, I am keeping this: folding, faulting and volcanic activity. This question is only the basic aim to make you realize about that the causes of rock displacement, folding, faulting and volcanic activity. These are the activity by which only we are giving the theory of plate tectonic, which has been removed from the syllabus, but only for your knowledge purpose I am keeping this question. This is not going to be asked in the examination. Mention the three types of plate movement, so convergent, divergent and transform. These are the three. This question will also not going to be present in examination, but still for your information purpose, convergent, divergent and transform, these are the plates movement by which only the physical features are present on the earth. Name any four factors which are responsible for creating and modifying the relief to its present form. Again the same. So here, weathering, erosion, depositional work, geological activities like earthquake, volcanic eruption and all. So as you are knowing about the northern plain, they are formed by the depositional work and the erosional work by the river, right? This is the convergent boundary which I was talking to you. So what is the meaning of convergent? It is the boundary which is formed due to the movement of plates upward each other. One is moving upward towards each other. Then what is transform boundaries? So these are the plates movement. They are when two plates move horizontally passing each other. What is divergent boundary? It is the boundary which is formed when two plates move away from each other, so when they are separating. So these convergent, divergent and transform, these are the major cause in the plate tectonic theory, and by all this activity only the formation of all the physiographic feature is happened. So this part is removed from your syllabus only just to make you aware about this thing. I am placing all this question and this one. What was the Gondwana land? Then next, it was an ancient supercontinent located in the southern hemisphere, which include the present day South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Which continent of today were the part of Gondwana land? So again, please check out South America, Africa, Australia and Asia. Next, moving toward to talk about the northern plain. As we had discussed number of time about Khadar and Bangar, here the question is, what is Khadar? So the answer is, the younger alluvium of the floodplain is called as Khadar. Name some of the depositional feature formed by the river in the plain. So as you are knowing about the 4 features, just quickly have a look on it. Floodplain, leaves, channel bars and bluff. Moving toward the next question. What are distributary? So the answer is here. The river in the lower course split into 2 numerous channels, or split into 2, 3, 4 like that, and due to the depositional work they used to split, and these channels are known as distributary. For example, Hooghly, Meghna is a distributary of the river Ganga. Next, question number 12. What is the meaning of, or what is meant by Doab? Let's check the answer. The land between the 2 rivers is locally known as Doab. What is Terai zone? Let's check out the answer. It is a zone next to the Bhabha zone, which is wet and marshy. It has a thick forest cover and a variety of wildlife. What is a Bhangar? That's a high order thinking skill question. So again, when we were talking about Khadar, so this is the answer of Bhangar. It can be asked for 1 marks quickly, as you have given the pre-board 2. In that, the number of interesting questions were there. That's a correct and standard pattern of your annual examination. So the old alluvium soil of the northern plain is called as Bhangar. Next, question number 15. Name the parts of Himalaya lies between the Indus and Satluj river. I hope so. By reading the question, you are gaining the answer quickly. Punjab Himalaya lies between the Indus and Satluj. From west to east, this is also known as Kashmir Himalaya and Himachal Himalaya respectively. Please see the interesting aside also. By the name change, you should not be confused. What is Kashmir Himalaya or what is Himachal Himalaya? That means that is Punjab Himalaya. Question number 16. Name the most continuous range of Himalaya consisting of the lofty mountain peaks. So Himadri or Greater or Inner Himalaya. Clear to you? So Himalayas are, they are in 3 parallel ranges: Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. That means the Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and the Lesser Himalaya, or we can speak about the southernmost Himalaya. Name the mountain range which bound the central highlands on the northwest. If you have studied on page number 10 in our textbook geography, so you can clearly give the answer of all the questions. Answer is Aravalli Hills. Question number 18. How long are the east-west distance covered by the Himalaya? From east to west, the distance of Himalaya is asked here. Check out the answer. That's a 2,400 kilometer in an arc shape. Next, which river marks the easternmost boundary of the Himalaya? The river Brahmaputra is marking the easternmost boundary of the Himalaya. Question number 20. Name the part of Himalaya lies between the Tista and Dihang rivers. I hope so. The answer has appeared in your mind. Let's check out the correct answer. That's the Assam Himalaya. Next, moving toward the question number 21. Please go through the question. Which part of the Himalaya is located between Kali and Satluj river? Again, the HOT question is there. That's a high order thinking skill. Answer, that's the Kumaon Himalaya. Moving toward question number 22. Question number 2 and 2. Which is the most important and long mountain range of Himalaya? So the answer is the Pir Panjal range forms the longest and the most important range. Question number 2, 3. Name the three parallel range of the Himalaya and give their other name. So as I stated about the three parallel ranges of Himalaya are Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Let's check out the answer. Clear to you? Himadri Greater Himalaya, Himachal Lesser Himalaya and Shivalik Outer Himalaya. Question number 24. Which are the Himalayas called, why are the Himalaya mountains are called as young and fold mountains? Because the Himalayas are not very old. They are of recent birth. So they are called as young and fold mountain. And still Himalaya is growing. Question number 25. Which is the highest peak of India? So Kanchenjunga is the highest peak of India. Which is the northernmost range of Himalaya? So Himadri, that means the Great Himalaya. Question number 27. Which is the outermost range of Himalaya? As we had seen about the three parallel ranges of Himalaya, Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. So out of them, which is the outermost range? So just in the previous slide just now you had seen, so you can have the answer quickly. That's a Shivalik. Please go through the slide, the question and the answer. Then it is going to be beneficial for you. Which is the highest peak of the world, where it is situated? As you are knowing about the Mount Everest and where it is situated, let's check out. The Mount Everest, 8,848 meter, located in Nepal, is the highest mountain peak in the world. Question number 9. Which is the highest peak of Deccan Plateau? So as already known to you, Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat, the highest mountain peak. We discussed about Anaimudi and Mahendragiri out of them, which is the highest mountain peak here. So let's check out the answer. So Anaimudi hill in Kerala, that's the highest mountain peak of the Deccan Plateau. Next, moving toward the question number 30. How is the northern plain divided on the basis of the differences in the relief? So here the question is speaking about how is the northern plain divided on the basis of differences in the relief. So northern plain, just we are talking about the new alluvial, old alluvial, Terai, Bhabar and on. So the answer is Bhabar, Terai, Bangar and Khadar. Please check the answer and the question properly. Next, please read the question. The question is speaking to you. This question I place only for your reference purpose, so you can understand about in examination this type of question can come, and now you have to think upon which answer you have to write, what the question is asking to you. Each physiographic region of India complements or the other and makes the country richer in its natural resources. Justify the statement with the 5 examples. Or it can be asked, the diverse physical features of India are the immense value. Justify the statement by giving suitable example. So if this type of question will be in the examination, what you are going to write? Okay? So please see the question carefully. I hope so. Now you are searching what to write in that. By seeing the answer, you will quickly get if this type of question will come in the examination, what you are going to write in that. Question number first and the second one, both are speaking one thing. Let's see the answer first. Right? Both the questions are having the same answer, but the way of writing can be different. Importance of diverse physical features of India is as follow. The northern mountains are the major source of water and the forest wealth. It's correct to everyone. The northern plains are the granaries of the country. They provide the base of the early civilization. About plateau, they are the storehouse of the minerals, which plays a very important and crucial roles in the industrialization of the country. The coastal region and the islands group provide the site of fishing and ports activity. and the desert is the storehouse of solar energy. Now the example also placed and the physical feature are also there, and you have to do little bit elaboration of this. So lastly, I want to tell you once again, please do the revision part very seriously. Thanking to each and everyone. Please do the revision part very seriously. Jai Hind to one.